Hi, I want to show you how to check Apple ID on iPhone. First way is to go in Settings, scroll all the way up and here find your profile. So just tap it, tap on Sign In and Security, just like that. And after that, you'll be able to see your email, which is your Apple account basically, and your phone number under email. So you can add here more, but to check your ID, here it is. Now, let's say you don't have access to the phone with your Apple ID. Then on other device, you can go in Safari and open this website, account.apple.com. Here, tap Sign In. And now you can sign in using Face ID, or you can tap here to use a different Apple account if you need it, and then you can sign in using email or phone number. So you don't need to actually remember your email, you can use phone number here instead. Now I can enter email and then hit next, but I'm gonna use passkey. And now I signed in. So if you need to change your password, then you can tap here, enter current password, then new one and confirm new one. And here you can manage your settings as well. So yeah, that's it how you can check your Apple ID on iPhone. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.